Today I'm doing a kind of collab video with my friend Ashlyn. You can tell the difference between the makeup without the lashes. We're both gonna be Rem and we're gonna be the realest Rems ever. We're gonna look so good. I'm really hoping I did the right side because I always forget what side Rem's hair is on. So last time I did the eyeliner for this eye and then I realized that I did it wrong and I did it for this eye. Then I put the lash on this eye. Then it was actually on this eye, but no, I actually started with this eye. I'm getting it all wrong. I don't even care. I've been trying to post videos more because I did like a vote a while ago and you guys said you liked the videos more, but it kind of confused me if you guys like the videos more and they get less views. That's just YouTube though, so I didn't really film much of the makeup, but my makeup is really simple and this eyeliner is really messed up because, well, it's not eyeliner. I left my makeup at my dad's, so I've been using eyeshadow for eyeliner and my mom's crusty dusty eyelash glue that's from a Halloween store. I have to get the outfit. This outfit does not fit good. Okay, I put the makeup on the right eye. Why is this wig like a disaster? Rem is my favorite out of Ram and Rem. I think she had better character development. I love Ram too, but I just like Rem more. But I also like the color pink more, so I also love Ram. What side does this headband go on? Pretty sure it's this side. There's a full turn in the cosplay. I don't know if this is safe, but the wig is like standing out. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm a lefty. So I'm gonna straighten it while I'm wearing the wig. I haven't burned my face yet. I just finished. I'm not really filming that many videos because it's late and I have a headache because recaps give me a headache. Don't know why. And I cosplayed like a little bit ago. So I'm not making any shorts and I'm uploading this video so it's longer than shorts. I was taking this costume off. Every time I would literally struggle this over my head because I didn't know how else to take it off. There's been a zipper the whole time and I didn't know. I hate cleaning up after cosplay because it takes forever. And I end up leaving, I put the wigs away because I'm gonna take care of those, but I end up leaving the cosplays on the floor. Then my room is a mess. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video and now you're going on to Kat's part.
Hey gamers, it's Kat here. We both decided to do Rem today. We're both cosplaying Rem. Look at my eye. You can like see a major difference. And most of the makeup I stole from my mom because my mom's room is literally like a beauty store. Like you go in there and there's so much makeup to pick from. Me and Abby have the same mirror, primer. Also doing like eye primer, and this concealer I stole from my mom. I got this like new container which has all my makeup brushes in it. I just want to show you guys, like, I love my Melody so much. I have so much of my Melody stuff in my room. The twins on the side. I stole this from my mom. I actually don't even know what it is. I did like pink and cream color. I'm doing half my face. Oh my gosh, it looks like an arrow today. It literally looks like an arrow today. So now I'm gonna be opening this. Was not expecting it to look like that. Here's the inside. I don't think this is worth the money. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Look how big my eye looks. Debating on if I should wear this thing or not. Okay, never mind. It's literally the cutest thing. This poster, this like cart thing, which I'm gonna put more stuff. Unboxing. This is from my friend Nay. Is a Ganyu wig. So a bunch of people have been like requesting Genshin cosplays, and I've said like many times that I don't really play Genshin anymore, but I still like know the characters pretty well. Like I know like the older characters because that's when I played. I really want to cosplay Mona too. But yeah, so here's the wig. And I'm actually cosplaying like my Melody Rem right now, and these little controller joystick things are super cute. Oops. I'm probably not going to use the My Melody because my controller is black and pink, so I don't think this will go. And I'm also a little worried because I don't think that this will fit because these are for Nintendo and I have an Xbox controller. Kuromi, oh my gosh, it matches so well. Also, there's like eyeliner on my hand, but yeah. So it does fit on this one, but I have to take like the original thing off this. And now I have a Kuromi controller. So excited to play a game later tonight because my Kuromi controller, hello. Oh gosh. And then I also got a Kobeni wig so that I can cosplay the nurse outfit. I am super excited because I like Chainsaw Man a lot. And my red contacts are about to expire, so I won't be able to cosplay Power. And I want to be able to cosplay from Chainsaw Man still. So I'm really happy that I got this. I'm talking way too much for this to be like a collab video. I'm super sorry, Abby. I hope you don't mind that I'm talking so much and your video is gonna be really... I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to check out, if you're from Abby's video, don't forget to subscribe to me, and if you're from my video, don't forget to subscribe to Abby. Yeah. Bye, guys. So, me and Abby planned this whole entire video together, so I feel like I should do like a little full-on outro. Abby's Instagram is right here. Yeah, and then mine is kit.cat.cos. So here's a picture. And also her YouTube will be linked down below. Instagram, you know, everything linked down below. So don't forget, guys. Don't forget.